Hi, my friends, Mrs. Conlon here. Today we're going to draw an up-close bug picture. So we're going to draw some leaves and some flowers and some insects, and they're going to be so big that they almost don't even fit on the paper. And we're going to make sure our paper is like jam-packed with pictures. So go get your paper and your something to draw with. I'm going to use a Sharpie. So I'm going to start with a flower. And instead of drawing a circle, I'm actually just going to draw a backwards C. So off of my backwards C, that's going to be the middle of the flower, I'm going to do some petals. You can do pointy ones, you can do round ones. I'm going to do some pointy ones. And don't be afraid if they don't look the same. Just kind of filling up that space. Once you add color to it and some more details, you won't even be able to tell. Okay, so now I have one big flower. I'm going to draw, to fill up some more of that space, I'm going to draw now another flower over here. This one, I'm going to draw a circle. But you won't be able to fit all the petals on it. I'm going to do some rounded ones on this one. And it is totally okay if they fall off the paper, because we're going to add so much to this, you won't be able to tell. Okay, inside of those, if you want, you can add little V's. It kind of gives it an extra detail. I like to do that inside of my petals. Okay. Now I'm going to do a B. I'm going to start with a circle, and then I'm going to go do the back of it. I'm going to do a little line out on one side and a little line out on the other side. Then I'm going to come in and kind of go like a V. So it has this kind of sharp V shape to it. Okay. Now I'm going to do about 5 lines in here. And they're kind of going to be rounded lines, so it's almost like a little U scoop. So I made some lines, and then I'm going to end up coloring them as like a pattern. If I'm going too fast, you can just pause it. So I should have like a black, white pattern, because later I can color it yellow. Okay, so here's his head, his or her, their head. I'm going to draw a rainbow right there. Okay, on this side, I'm going to draw a backward C. And over here, I'm going to draw a C. I can just color those in. It's going to be the eyes. I give them some antennas. I'm going to do a letter V. Okay, I'm going to do some legs. So I'm going to go up and in, up and in, up and in, up and in. And then I'm going to go one that goes back, out and down, out and down. Okay, so now I'm going to do some wings. I'm going to make a little dot here and a little dot here. That'll show where I'm starting my wings. And I'm going to make a big upside down heart. Big upside down heart. Okay, awesome. So I'm going to add another thing. I'm going to add a big leaf here. So I'm going to add a big leaf with a line through it. And then I'm going to draw some letter V's down it. I'm going to go V, 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 V. So you can continue adding more of all of these things too later. I'm going to do a ladybug right here. And then you can go and finish and add more things to it. I'm going to do a circle. In that circle, I'm going to draw the letter V. From that V, I'm going to make a straight line down. Now I'm going to do its head. I'm going to do a rainbow. I'm going to do his eyes. I'm going to do a backwards C and a C. We can color those in later. I'm going to do his antenna, his or her, their antenna. Little letter V there. I'm gonna give it some spots. I'm gonna try to match them because they are symmetrical. And then I'm gonna give it some legs. They have 6 legs. Okay, so then you can fill up, you can add some more things. I'm gonna fill it up with a few more flowers. Over here, I'm gonna add a C. And then this is gonna be another half of a flower, but it's gonna go really, really big. It's gonna be so big, in fact, that it's gonna go like behind all these other things. Okay, so I have 2 insects and some leaves and some flowers. You can kind of continue adding to it, and you can add some more insects, some more details, and then go ahead and color it and upload it to Seesaw. We can't wait to see your pictures.